Hello, my name is William Andres Cabrera from the group 153 of English 2 course of the bachelor's degree in foreign languages with emphasis in English. In this case, I'm talking about activity and plans. So the first question, what are your plans for the weekend? This weekend I'm going out riding my bike with my brothers and my mom. Then we're going to a mall for burgers and vanilla chocolate chip milkshake. Also on Sunday in the morning I'm going to do the college homework, and in the afternoon I'm going out with my girlfriend. Second question, what is your job or study routine? So my work and study routine is as follows. For example, in this case, I get up at 7:35 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed, and also walk with my dog. At 7 a.m. I sit at the computer to work. In this case, I work in a bilingual call center where every day I have in 5 or 6 meetings with my supervisor. In this case, the position that I have is assistant of the supervisor in my company. Then I'm in charge of 5 people where I train them daily in different processes that we handle. At 11:30 to 11:48 a.m. I have my first break. After that, I continue learning more process. From 3 to 5 p.m. I have my lunch. After that, I train some new guys, and at 4:45 to 5 p.m. I have my second break, and from 5 to 6 I enter a support section with other colleagues, and at 6:30 p.m. my work day ends. From 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I usually do the university work, study English, and help my brother with his homework. The next question is, what sports do you practice? At this moment I don't practice any sport since I work and study at the same time, but I always go to the gym with my younger brother. However, I like tennis very much since it allows us to have a good physical condition. And the final question is, which country would you like to travel to and why? I would like to go and live in Australia or Canada because they offer a good lifestyle. They are places that have a great diversity of culture, a lot of nature places to visit, and many jobs offered with good pay. Also, they are very safe places. There is almost no crime. So this is the presentation, and thank you so much for your time. Have an amazing day.